Cribl stream pipelines. Now, pipelines, functions, and routes, they all kind of go together. So if you think about it now, here's a series of functions is called a pipeline. So essentially, a pipeline is composed of one or more functions, and each one of the functions will actually act on the events as they come through. The events themselves, as you can see here, they come from a source, and they're delivered to the beginning of a pipeline. And you use what's called routes to basically filter and identify what events go into what pipeline. As they flow through the pipeline, as I said, they're processed by one or more functions. And depending on what you're trying to accomplish, it could be a very short pipeline, it could be a very long pipeline. The events are passed from one function to the next. So one function will act on it, then the next function will act on it until you get to the end of the pipeline. Or you can actually put instructions in there to stop processing the data after a specific function handles it. So now, let's just jump into Cribl Stream itself and kind of look at it live a little bit. So here we are in Cribl Stream in a live instance, and from here, you go up to processing and you select pipelines. Under pipelines, you can see I got a bunch created already, and if you want to see what's in them, I can go down here and I can just select Prometheus metrics, and you can see within this pipeline, I've got a couple of functions set up. But I want to go back to the previous one, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do add a pipeline. And I just add a pipeline, you give it a name. I'm just going to call it test. And save. And what it does, it creates the pipeline and then allows you to go up here and add functions to it. But that's the next module, so I'm not going to get into that just right yet. If I want to go back and show something else, is when I go and add a pipeline, I also have the ability to add it with Cribl Copilot, which is really interesting. So I'm going to call this one test2, save. And then you can go over here and it helps you build the pipeline. So this pipeline, how do I apply like GDPR rules to this pipeline? It'll actually go in and create a bunch of functions for you. We'll see that in the next module. All right, see how easy it was? More information is available. Go to Cribl Docs and look up pipeline documentation or pipeline tips and tricks. Give you a little bit more information. Thank you.